Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to share a recipe that I had from my cousin Debbie on Easter. It was delicious, and I'm going to call it Debbie's Cabbage Salad. You're going to need cabbage, carrots, a cucumber. I'm going to make a dressing. I'll show you how to do that, and some cashews. So I'm going to start by making the dressing. And let's see here. Okay, so to this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, or it actually calls for a 1/4 teaspoon. I'm just going to use my fingers. And you know what? I'm going to put some pepper in there. This was so good, crisp and fresh. It was delicious. Okay, and to this, we're going to add, it calls for rice vinegar, but I didn't have any. And I went to the Whole Foods to take a thing back from Amazon. Where's my knives? Oh, here we go. And so I'm going to use red wine vinegar and balsamic. So I will put a teaspoon of balsamic. Come on. Teaspoon. I'm going to eyeball it. I'm going to put a teaspoon of red wine vinegar. We are young, heartache to heartache, we stand. Okay, who can name that tune? And the singer. You're going to be telling your age. No promises, no demands. Love is the battlefield. Okay, to that we're going to add 1 teaspoon of honey. I'm going to eyeball that. One more time, honey. Come on, honey. Give us some honey. Okay, we're going to also add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2. And Debbie did not add lemon juice, but I'm going to just to freshen it up. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of mustard. You can use brown mustard if you'd like. I have yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to juice 1 lemon. Heartache to heartache, we stand. Where's my lemon squeezer thing? Oh, I need to clean the square out in the worst way. Okay, I don't see that, so I'm going to do it by hand. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I'm going to do 1/2 of a lemon. We are young. Heartache to heartache, we stand. Okay, I need 2 cloves of garlic. 2 cloves of garlic. And I would bet that this sucker's be better after it sits in the fridge a while. Just observation there. 1 and 2. Okay, I'm going to do 3 because they're kind of tiny. Heartache to heartache, we stand. Okay, garlic. Just gotten home from work. Oh, I about minced it right there. Sure did. Sure shooting. Sure tooting. Did that one too. Heartache to heartache, we stand. All right, let me just chop this. No promises, no demands. Love is the battlefield. This would be good with red onion in it too, I bet. Or craisins. They would be good in this. So really, the options are limitless. You can kind of make it your own. heartache to heartache, we stand. No promises, no demands. Okay, let's give that a mix. Love is a battlefield. We are strong. Okay, I have washed my cabbage. I'm going in my cucumber. And I'm going to cut it up. Cut it up. Cutting it up and keeping it real in the house. What other song did she sing? Let me think. That was probably her most popular. I love Prince. I could sing him. It's been 7 hours and 15 days since you took your love away. I go out every night and sleep all day since you took your love away. Since you've been gone, I can do whatever I want. All right, I'm gonna chop this cabbage up. I can see whomever I choose. Go out every night, sleep all day, since you took your love away. Bum, 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 bum. Since you've been gone, I can do whatever I want. I can see whomever I choose. Nothing can stop this lonely tear from falling. Tell me, baby, where did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong? I know that living with me, baby's been sometimes hard. And now I'm willing to give it another try. 'Cause nothing compares to you. This would be really good on shrimp tacos or fish tacos or as a side. This would be good on a burger. I ain't even lying. And you know, you can choose whether to put the nuts in it. It'd be good with pecans in it if you're not a cashew person. The options are limitless. Since you've been gone, I can do what was I listening to on the way home? Oh, I was listening to I Wanna Rock With You. How does that start? Girl, close your eyes. Let the rhythm get into you. Don't try to fight it. There ain't nothing that you can do. Relax your mind. Go ahead, Michael Jackson. Lay back and groove with mine. You gotta feel that beat. And we can ride the boogie. Share that beat of love. I wanna rock with you, yeah. All night, dance you into the. I wanna rock with you all night, dance the night away. Out on the floor, there's to mesmerize. Girl, when you dance, there's a magic that must be love. Just take it slow. We've got so far to go when you feel that beat. Okay, let's see here. How's this looking? How's this looking? Good looking. Okie dokie. There we go. Now for the carrots. I'm not crazy with raw carrots. So I'm going to use one. Just one. Let me wash this booger. They say these are the healthier carrot option to buy, not those little ones. Just what a bread for. And what I'm going to do, I think, let's see if it'll get, no, that's not going to work. Hold on. Hold the presses. Oh, Lord, if I can reach it. All right, Granny, come on. Come on, Granny. Ah. Oh, I knocked something over. There we go, Granny. Okay. I couldn't find my vegetable peeler, so I'm just going to do mine with a grater. Try not to injure my fingernails in this process. And you can see that this is pretty healthy. Lots of vegetables. We'll have to call my cousin Brett to come get some of this. He'll like it. All right, one more little ditty. About Jack and Diane. Two American kids growing up in the heartland. Jackie gonna be a football star. Diane, oh, Jackie's car. Oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone. I wish I loved carrots, I just don't. I like them like Winifred fixes them. She puts them and roasts them with like brown sugar and honey, and they're really good like that. They kind of remind me of a sweet potato. Oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone. Oh yeah, they say life goes on. Okay, now we're gonna pour on the dressing. Pour some dressing on me in the name of love. Pour some dressing on me. Come on, fire me up. And then I'm gonna put about 3/4 of a cup of cashews. And then I'm gonna give it a stir or a toss. And then we'll taste it for y'all. Okay, even better. Let's put the Tupperware to the test. I think it needs a little more pepper and a little more salt and a toss. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and the taste test is coming. The king is coming. The king is coming. I've heard the trumpet sounding. Okay. Get a bite with every little thing on it. I love the lemon in it. This is a good one, y'all. Keep this one in your repertoire. Cabbage salad. And like I said, I bet it's better when it sits a while in the fridge. Give it a try. We'll see y'all. Share, like, and comment.